This is my 2025 Yamaha MT-09 SP. So I just got these side mirrors, which gives you the ability to take off the those ugly ones that are normally right there. And I did watch some videos online of how to install them, and everybody's doing it wrong. So when you get these when you order these, I got these from Amazon, they tell you just to put this piece on. This is the OEM piece that's normally, right here. And online, it shows that you take this off, the OEM piece off, and just save it, and then just attach this, screw this right into here. What I noticed when I got this is that the bolt for this that comes with the mirror is really long. It doesn't need to be that long. And I was like, why is it so long? The reason is you're supposed to keep the OEM piece. That's the bolt that came with the mirror. So you take this off, put the bolt through there, then put the bolt through the piece where the mirror attaches to, and then screw it in. So everybody's doing it wrong. Thank you.